Many people think of Indiana as being landlocked, but residents in Lake County know that that's not true. With the northern boundary of Lake Michigan and George Lake and Wolf Lake to the south, water abounds. The Hammond Port Authority operates many of the recreational facilities on and around these lakes. In addition to traditional boating, sailing, and fishing, Hammond offers a 7-mile lakeside bike trail, windsurfing and kayaking, as well as golf and sailing instruction. To learn more about these public facilities, I met with the Port Authority's director, Milan Kruszynski, at the Hammond Marina, located on Lake Michigan next to the Horseshoe Hammond Casino.
We're the umbrella organization for a number of facilities and businesses that Mayor McDermott has asked us to take care of. We start here at the Hammond Marina. Here we're at about 900 slips, and it ranges in size from little jet ski drive-up ramps to 100-foot head pier slips. We're at the best end of Lake Michigan, we feel, at the southern end. We've got a lot of opportunity for folks to build community and to come out and have fun.
How far is the marina from Chicago?
Literally across the lake, 20 nautical miles or less, depending on where you want to go in Chicago. We have the city downtown. We're looking at a nice cruise of probably about an hour to hour and 15 minutes, and folks could go across lake.
So what does it mean to be designated as a clean marina?
The boaters especially like it because their boats that are bobbing around in the water literally stay cleaner. We were the first clean marina in the state of Indiana. We're very proud of carrying on that designation and everything that goes with that.
You have a really interesting program on your website called Sail Away. Tell us about that program.
Sail Away started in 1994. It was brought over as a thought from the city of Chicago, borrowed their thought on a program called Judd Goldman, where they were able to take folks that had disabilities and be able to give them an experience of putting them in a boat and teaching them how to sail. We've taken on a lot of folks that are able-bodied, and they get to enjoy the program as well. We're just so happy that folks could come out and enjoy. A day like today is a perfect day to go sailing on Lake Michigan. The wind's blowing, the wind is free, and put the sail up and take off.
Tell us a bit about Wolf Lake.
Right now the lake is used for bass fishing tournaments, for a lot of walleye fishing, but it's more than just fishing. It's multi-recreational use. So we have the Port Authority rents out kayaks, canoes, paddle boards. The windsurfers and kite surfers love Wolf Lake. They come from all over the Midwest to come out and have a lot of fun on the lake. So multi-use, multi-recreational, and a good mix for a lot of different folks to come out and use it.
What other amenities are available at Wolf Lake Memorial Park?
The splash pad is geared for kids up through the age of 12. It holds 0 water, so there's a lot of good drainage. And literally it's what it says. It's able to splash water on everybody, get everybody cooled down on a hot day, and kids get to enjoy themselves very, very affordably.
Tell us about Lost Marsh Golf Course.
We don't want anybody to have to pay the same kind of fees that they pay in Chicago or golf in any of the suburbs of Chicago. So we are affordable. At times throughout the season, we could even be $40 less for a greens fee per person to come out and golf at Lost Marsh.
We hope you've enjoyed this quick tour of some of Hammond's outdoor recreational options. For more information about these sites, visit SAVORIndiana.com, where you'll find links to the Hammond Port Authority website, providing maps, calendars, rates, as well as activity and event schedules. For SAVOR Indiana, I'm Ron Gifford.